Good morning to all. I am Muthu Chilvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. Now I am going to discuss about the subject income tax law and practice. In that income tax law and practice, we discuss about the first unit of introduction to income tax. In that first unit, it covers meaning of tax, types of tax, then assessment year, what is previous year, then who is person, what are the who are types of persons, and and in and and income and types of incomes. First, we discuss about the meaning of tax. Tax is a mandatory financial charge imposed by the government to the individual, the person who are earning the income. Based on the income, the person will pay the tax to the government. Yearly wise, what are the incomes the person earned? Based on the income level, we have to pay the tax amount to the government. It is a compulsory charge imposed by the government. It is one of the obligation of individual citizen to pay the tax yearly wise to the government. That is the main thing of meaning of tax. Next, types of tax. The tax can be divided into two types. One is direct tax and another one is indirect tax. What is meant by direct tax? Direct tax is the person, those who are earned income, that person directly pay the tax to the government. That is called direct tax. The shift burden cannot be shifted to other persons. For example of direct taxes is income from salary, then corporate tax, capital gains. These are the incomes. Incomes comes under the direct tax. Next one is indirect taxes. Indirect taxes is paid by the intermediate. That is, it is it is the tax collected by from the various service providers, shopkeepers. On behalf of the government, they will collect the tax from the people. That is called indirect taxes. Indirectly, the person pay the tax to the government. Whenever we purchase the product, at the time the people pay the tax to the government. That is indirect taxes. For example, GST, service tax, then customs duty, excise duty. These are the examples of indirect taxes. Next, assessment year. Assessment year means 12 months period from 1st April 2024 to 31st March 2025 is the assessment year. Previous year means preceding the assessment year. Uh, that is April 2023 to 2024 is the previous year. Next, income tax basic concept. Next one is person. Person means under section 231 of Income Tax Act is person includes individual, HUF, company, firm and association of person, local authority, then body of individual, artificial jurisdictional person. This category of persons included in the category of persons under the definition of Income Tax Act 1961, section 2, subsection 31. Next, assessee. The person who to pay the tax to the government. That person is called assessee. The assessee can be subject to income assessment deemed as assessment under the act, then assessee in default. Next, types of assessee. The assessee can be categorized into three categories: nominal assessee, representative assessee, and deemed assessee, assessee in default. Nominal assessee, normal assessee, normal assessee means the person who will pay the tax to the government. That person is called normal assessee. Next, representative assessee, the person responsible to pay on behalf of the assessee, that is the guardian of the minor or the representative of the non-resident person, that is the representative assessee. Deemed assessee means that the person comes under the circum legal provisions. That person is called deemed assessee. Assessee in default. The person fails to pay the tax. That person is called assessee in default.